We're getting some lunch out. Matt was the cook today for lunch, yeah. He's making a recipe that I found on Pinterest. Basically, yeah, they're fajitas.
I think I want to leave them in longer so it gets more darker. Fresh
Peppers that you cut up, and onion. And that's not actually chicken, it's just some Quorn brand meat substitute. Doesn't sound as appetizing, but this is gonna be our first time having that. Ooh, we're even garnishing it with some lemon and cilantro. Oh, yeah, duh. I do know what a lime is, right? Yeah.
Yeah, you just squeeze it over it, and it should taste pretty good, and then you can top it with sour cream.
And I got pita bread instead of putting it over a salad, so we could do that too. But we're gonna actually just put it on top of this. We're not even gonna like put it inside, Matt. They just kind of like laid it on half and just folded it. But we also have tortilla. Yeah, okay, so we'll see both. With some sour cream. I'm actually, Matt, if you get out the Greek yogurt, I'm gonna do that. Hey, baby. Hey, Papa. Yeah. Yeah, we gotta go over and get the foodie. Okay, Papa. Let's go get the foodie. Let's go get the foodie. All right, let's go. Let's go. Ooh, that looks good. Look at the colors. And the steam. Matt, that faux chicken smells amazing. And now I've got green. I've got almost all these colors of the rainbow. Does it look official? Daddy wants to know. Does it look official? Looks good to me. As we eat at this fine restaurant, our ambiance has a sleeping man right next to us. Well, hello there, sleeping man. I think he's hungry. His mouth is open. Let's see, does he like it? Just kidding. Matt, I'm super excited. Oh, the cook is taking back my food. I'm pretty sure that's food etiquette, like badness. Like first rule of don't do that. Other than hair. Wow, everyone heard it. He didn't feel like it. Wow. Whatever. If he didn't make this whole thing. Now it's a half ugly. Making me look bad now. No, he made the whole thing, so it's nice. Okay, this is me, all natural on a Saturday, just low-key in it, so ignore the whole like not being all put together thing. Just super comfy here today. Putting my fajita together, I'm eating it like this, so the idea of a taco, but soft. Matt, you're in this, and I want you to know I'm trying it right now.
Okay.
Super. Oh. Charlie's watching me. Almost lost it on the camera. Okay.
Tell me if it's good. Is it good?
There's like 3 levels. It just hit me. First, taco seasoning. With the texture of faux chicken that's...
Sorry, go ahead.
That's like chicken. And then the onion. And I like lots of onion. And then I tasted a second hit of the spiciness of the taco seasoning. So that was like paprika, chili powder, garlic powder, and something else. And then the lime. So the lime, like the sweetness of the lime. Even though you think lime is tart because it's contrasting against the spice, it kind of was sweet to me. Okay, here we go. Second bite with more cream cheese. And cream cheese. Oh my gosh. My brain. This is what happens throughout the week. I use it too much, and then Saturday it's like, what am I even saying? Sour cream, aka Greek yogurt for me. Matt won't do that though. He Will you try the Greek yogurt today, says Irene?
It's too late. I already made my wraps.
Alright, so yeah, no.
I already made mine in the wrap form.
In the cheese. I can tell that the peppers are fresh. I'll show you Matt's. His are in wraps rather than a fajita. So yummy. Charlie thinks he even likes it. Are you checking to see if there's more chicken? Do you think that tastes like chicken? Nope, no chicken here, babe. Nope. Sorry, honey bunches. Sorry. Matt, look, he's offended.
Look at that.
He's like, how dare you? Ooh, ooh. Oh, yes. Oh, that looks super good. Look how colorful it is.
Mm-hmm.
Yum. I want to see what you think. We have the sleeping man in the background. Did you taste like the taco seasoning first, like me? And that chicken, and then the onion, then the sweetness. Yeah, it took like 3 steps for me to be like, ooh, all those flavors packed in there. It's good. I like it. What do you think of the Quorn, like little kind of like faux chicken things?
Yeah, I cooked them. And then put them in the oven.
The texture is like right. It's not spongy or anything. It's like good.
Yeah, I cooked them like I would chicken.
Cool.
And then put them in the oven.
Let me see the texture of those. Yeah, the texture tastes like chicken, doesn't it?
I like seared them, you know.
Oh,
so,
cool.
Like chicken. So some of them like were browned and stuff. So.
We're gonna finish it up. Oh, keep getting Garrett in the background. And Charlie's still offended. He's like, no chicken? Fine. I don't want nothing to do with y'all. Is it that right? Oh, is that right?